Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get the OKX Exchange app on your Mac in just a few steps. Begin by opening Safari from your dock or use Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus Space and typing Safari. Once Safari is open, go to OKX.com. That's the official OKX website. Always make sure you're visiting the verified site for your safety. From there, click File in the menu bar at the top, and then select Add to Dock. A small window will appear. You can rename it if you want, but I'll keep it as OKX. After clicking Add, you'll see the OKX icon appear right in your dock. Here's the best part. When you click that icon, OKX opens in a clean, standalone window that works independently from Safari. Even if you close Safari, OKX stays open like a regular Mac application. And that's it. You've successfully added OKX to your Mac as a standalone web app. If this helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more crypto app guides. Thanks for watching.